Hi, good morning, Year 2. This is your English lesson and for today, and your job today is to practice orally retelling your story. So that's saying your story out loud as many times as you can to really get to know your information. So let's have a look here what Mrs. Cockram has done today. So we're going to have a look at this. This is Mrs. Cockram's information map. Okay, so you will need your information map ready to do this with for today. Okay, so get your information map and have a look at all of your pictures and see if you can represent what each of those mean. Okay, now what I did here was I got the information and can you see this subheading here? Where do elephants live? That was my picture here of this house, wasn't it? That represented this subheading here. Elephants live in Africa and India. There are 3 different species of elephants. There is the African savanna elephant, the African rainforest elephant, and the Asian elephant. And here I've got, what do elephants look like? And it says here, what do elephants look like? Elephants have tough grey skin and large ears. They have long trunks which they use to drink water. African elephants have the biggest ears. There's an easy way to tell which are which. African elephants have the large ears shaped like the continent of Africa, and Asian elephants have the smaller ears shaped like India. Elephants are the world's largest and heaviest living land animal. They have tusks made of ivory, which help protect them from other animals. You can tell how old the elephants are by looking at their tusks. The oldest elephants have the longest tusks. What do elephants eat? Elephants are herbivores. They eat bark and leaves from trees. These magnificent animals spend between 12 and 18 hours eating grass, plants and fruit every day. They use their long trunks to smell their food and lift it up to their mouth. Yum! What do elephants do? Elephants are usually gentle animals. They are clever and know how to find water, even when it's 3 miles away. Elephants love to play and swim in the water. They use the mud and sand to cover their skin to protect them from the sun like sunscreen. Why are elephants in trouble? Sadly, elephants are in trouble. Many are hunted and killed by humans for their ivory tusks. Asian elephants also face threats from tourist attractions where people ride on their backs to watch them paint pictures using their trunks. How can we help them? People only support elephant tourism when they want to be close to these magnificent animals. But when they understand that elephants only take part in these activities because they've been captured by them, they may stop and think. Raising awareness among family and friends can make a huge difference. If we don't help elephants, the species won't exist in the future. Extinction means gone forever. We do not want a world without extraordinary elephants in it. Okay, so that's your job today, is to use your information map and practice reading that. Okay, now we're going to be having a look at what a noun is, and we're going to be looking at changing that noun from singular to plural. Okay, what is a noun? Can we remember what a noun is? Have a talk to the person next to you and have a think before I show you the next one about what you think a noun is. We've done this before, so I want to see what you can remember. Okay, let's have a look. What is a noun? A noun is a person, a place, or an object. Oh, look here. Need to go back. A noun is a person, a place, or an object. Okay? A person, place, or an object. Person, place, object. So person or thing, so like a living creature. Person, something living. A place or an object, okay? What is a noun? A person, a place, or an object. Let's have a look here. What is the noun in this sentence? Let's read this sentence together. The elephant is gentle. The elephant is gentle. Can you point to the noun there? Remember, a noun is a person or a living thing, a place, or an object. Well done. The elephant. The elephant is the thing, isn't it? Or the... Let's have a look at the next one. Elephants live in Africa and India. Now I'm going to give you a clue. There's more than one noun here. Elephants live in Africa and India. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. A person, a place, or a thing. A person, a place, or a thing. Okay. I think we need to change that a person or an animal. I want to change that to a person or animal. So elephants, yes, well done. Elephants is a noun. Africa is a noun, isn't it? Because that's a place, and we know it's a place because it's got a capital here, hasn't it, as well? That helps us recognise that. And India, that's also a noun. So we've got 3 nouns in that sentence. Well done. Now what we're going to look at today is changing a noun from a singular to a plural. So a singular is one and plural is more than one. So can you see here, if we go back, it's got the word elephant here. The elephant is gentle. Is that talking about one elephant or lots of elephants? Well done. It's just talking about one elephant, isn't it? Saying the elephant. Let's have a look at this. Elephants live in Africa and India. That's talking about more than one elephant, isn't it? So this here is a singular noun, and this here is a plural noun because it's added to the end of it, which means more than. So singular is one and plural is more than one. Can you say that? Singular is one and plural is more than one. Okay, so let's have a look at these. You need to point at these. I'm going to say the word and you're going to shout if you think it's singular or plural. Shout at the screen when I say it. Elephant. So you need to go singular or plural, whatever you think. Elephant. Hunters. Trees. Trunk. Okay, let's have a look. Elephant is singular because there is only one and it hasn't got the s at the end, has it? Hunters is plural because there is more than one. It's talking about more than one, isn't it? Hunters, it's talking about, if it said hunter, it would be singular. Trees is plural. If you said plural, well done. Trunk is singular because there is only one. Let's say it again. Singular is one, plural is more than one. Singular is one, plural is more than one. I would like you to change these now from a singular noun to a plural noun. That's going to be your job now, to write down these words and change them from a singular noun to a plural noun. So at the moment, there's one of everything, isn't there? But if we were talking about more than one of them, what would we need to do? You can change that and make them from singular to plural. Then you could add them into a sentence if you want. But your job today is to practice retelling your story and to change these nouns from singular to plural nouns, okay? It's a bit of a grammar lesson that we've just done there, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry, I think I went back there, so I wanted to just show you this. So if you can pause it here, and then you can change these from singular to plural. And your job today is to carry on practice retelling the information that you've got. So you'll need your information maps for that. And yeah, you can rewind the video and listen to this from the beginning again, can't you? Because I've got my information map here and then the bits of information to go with each subheading. Okay, so have a lovely day, everybody, and I can't wait to see all the work that you get done today. See you later. Bye.